I noticed that my hip was popping, my leg was popping. It just didn't sound right or feel right. So I went back to the first doctor, and well, I was scheduled to have hip revision surgery. The surgery went sour, and I was in total shock. From what I understand, the socket was shattered.
Yes.
I was told that I needed to go to a specialist.
And that's when you came. They called you, Dr. Long. You told them just to close them up and that you would take over the case.
Okay. How long has it been since your operation?
It'll be a year today.
What things are you able to do now that you couldn't do, say, 6 months ago?
Bike ride, sit-ups, leg lifts. I thank you kindly, very much. You got me tearing up, but without you, Dr. Long, I couldn't have been this way. I fell in good hands, and thank God Almighty put me in the right direction.